In this chapter, we will learn about the loop. Many programming languages support three types of loops: while loop, do while loop, and for loop. In this chapter, we will focus more on the while loop. So, if you want to write a simple program in C, like printing a variable, it's pretty simple. We have done this in the last chapters many times, right? What you will do is you will create a main statement, you will initialize the variable. Let's say it's I equal to 1. You will use printf statement to display the value. So, this is the program. Its output will be I equal to 1. Now, suppose you want to print 1 to 9 like this. What will you do? Will you write the printf statement 9 times? No, it's too much work. What you will do is you will write a printf statement one time and you will execute it 9 times. Let's see how this is done in C language. Let's open our source code again. What we will do is we will put the printf statement inside while like this. In the while statement, we will write a condition that I is less than 10. Remember, we have used this condition in if and else statements. Here we are telling our program to run print value statement till 9. But the value of I is only 1. So we need to tell the program to increment the value. So what we will do is we will ask our program to increment the value of I after printf is executed like this. Here we have initialized the variable I equal to 1. This is called initialization. Next, we have given the condition and after that we have given the increment. Now the only thing is printf statement. Instead of printf, we can write any logic that we want. So what we understand is for loop execution, three things are very important. First is the initialization, second is the condition, and third is increment. Just try to understand the program. First, computer reaches the part of initialization, that is I equal to 1. Next, it reaches the while condition. In while condition, it checks whether I is less than 10. But currently the value of I is 1. So 1 is definitely less than 10. The result is true. So it goes to the printf statement and it prints the value of I, that is 1. In the next statement, it says I equals to I plus 1. So the value of I becomes 2. Now what happens is it goes to the end of the bracket and again it jumps to the condition. In the condition, it checks whether I is less than 10 or not, but the value of I is 2. So again the condition is true. Since the condition is true, the system enters the loop again and it prints the value of I, that is 2. Now it enters the increment code. In increment, value of I becomes 3. Now it again enters the condition and in the condition, system checks that whether I is less than 10 or not. But again, the condition is true because 3 is less than 10. So what happens is it again enters the loop. Now suppose we have done the printing till 9. After printing the value of 9, system goes to increment and the value of I becomes 10. Now it again checks the while condition. Condition is I less than 10 or not. But 10 is definitely not less than 10. So the condition breaks and system skips the while loop and goes to the next line. Here the while loop ends.